This breaks my heart, but they've totaled the van. They showed me the frame rails, and they're broken in a half a dozen places. So I've rented a car, and I'm loading it up with everything from the inside and cleaning it out and getting ready to turn it over to the insurance people. So let's just hope they give me a good settlement and I can find a replacement and get back on the road. It's a sad day. The rental car is unpacked. Everything's moved into the house. Took me 5 days to get home from Flagstaff, Arizona to North Carolina. And got to return the rental car tomorrow and start the process of looking for a replacement van. All right, I'm at the Greensboro Airport. I'm flying out today to go to Forest City, Iowa, and pick up my new RV. Made it to Forest City yesterday, had a good night last night, got up this morning, came to the dealership, and I'm picking up the Winnebago Revel today, and I'll be driving back to Greensboro tomorrow. I made it home after 3 days of 400+ mile driving every day, and I'm slowly packing the van, getting ready for my first shakedown camping trip. It'll be fun to get back on the road and have some things to share. The window coverings that come with the RV are, well, they're a pain to put in. So I bought a curtain rod and some curtains and just prop the curtain rod up here on the top shelf and just simply draw the curtains at night and hold them in place with a rubber band here. So I've got little baskets up here that I put my socks in, short sleeve tees. I left the tags on them from the store, which makes a good little thing to write notes on so we know what's in there. Made it to Hungry Mother State Park, about 10 miles north of Marion, Virginia. This is Virginia's first state park, so we will be exploring it for the next 5 days, 4 nights. I'm on site 19 with electric, water, and sewer. This is my shakedown camping trip, first camping trip in the van. So we'll be double checking all the systems while we're here and making sure everything's working. And hopefully we'll get in some hikes and exploring around some of the trails in the lake. I think hiking is going to be a morning adventure. It's 90 degrees out right now. And just a short hike and I'm already feeling the heat. I joined some hikers today along the lake trail. It's not as hot this morning as it was yesterday, so it's a pleasant morning for a little walk. We're going to walk out about an hour, turn around and come back. They have a snack bar up there, picnic tables, playground, and a nice big sandy beach for swimming. It's early in the morning, so there's not too many people out here right now. Yesterday it was crowded. We're in the middle of a heat wave this week, and I came out to the swim area and had a nice long soak to cool off yesterday afternoon. My friend rented this very cabin right here for herself and her 2 dogs. It was overrun with mice. She left after 2 nights and complained to the rangers about the problem. Beautiful overgrown trail out to the lake where they have a fishing pier. There's several trails around the lake with beautiful views across the water. Oh, this is actually a pathway over to a little island. I thought this was a fishing pier. So there's your canoe rentals. I'm thinking about getting a kayak rack and putting on top of the van and getting a kayak. I'll have to think about that a little bit. My initial purchase was for an inflatable pontoon boat, but it is so big and so heavy it would take up all of my storage in the back of the van. I could only say take it to the lake. I wouldn't be able to pack anything else for camping. The reason I bought a pontoon boat was you couldn't turn it over. A kayak, I would have to get a wet bag or something to put my cameras in and be in fear of turning over something and spilling them into the depths. So I'd have to get floaties for my heroes or whatever. It would take some thought and some planning. But to come out to a place like this and be able to just take a kayak off the top of the van, slip it into the water and get out and do a paddle, that would be wonderful. So they've got a little amphitheater here, and some excitement down here at the water. I don't know if a fish jumped or a frog jumped in or what's going on. But there was a big splash down here. Be a nice little spot right here to flick a line out and do some fishing. I am truly impressed with Hungry Mother State Park. It's a huge park, lots of cabins, lots of tent camping sites, lots of things to do, from swimming to kayaking to fishing. And I'm sure this place is booming in the summertime. It was hopping yesterday when I checked in as a Monday, and it's like everybody was checking in for the midweek sites, and all the weekend campers had gone home. But I guess everybody slept in this morning because it's been a very quiet morning. We're in the middle of a heat wave right now, and it's going to be in the upper 90s this afternoon. So, good day to stay in the shade, hydrate, and either go swimming or stay under the air conditioning or the fan, whatever you've got. After an extremely hot day today, it's turned into a very pleasant evening. The lightning bugs are out. It's warm, not hot. It's humid, but not bad. I'm enjoying sitting out here and enjoying the peace and quiet. So, been a fun day. I got my e-bike out and took a ride on it today. That was fun. This is the view from the back of the Dragon from Hungry Mother State Park over toward Tazewell, Virginia. We'll give you a token visit here.
God, look at the kudzu.
Yeah. Oh, here's the view coming up off the water. That's all for this trip.